Consider we have three Excel files stored in the same folder, and they all have the very same column names, but with different tab names. This video will show you how to combine those multiple Excel files into one table in Power BI. Step 1. Connect Power BI to the folder that has those Excel files. And then step 2. Make sure you select Transform Data. Please do not select Combine or Load in this step. Step 3. In the query editor that just pops out, click on the icon right next to the Content column to combine files. And select any file as the sample file. And then after a couple of seconds of loading, an error would pop out as expected. And then step 6, on the left side of the window, find Transform Sample File, click on it, and then go to the far right side of the entire screen, click on Navigation, and then change the source code as mentioned in step 6.3 so that the source code will look like 6.4. The highlighted 0 tells Power BI to take the first tab from each Excel, no matter what the type name is. Then the final step is to click on the table that shows up under Other Queries to capture all the changes we just made. And now all the Excel files are combined. Enjoy Power BI and have fun!